Alright, so as a recap, we turned off in Silverthorn, and now we are in somewhere. About to go up Loveland Pass. I thought they were ready to go, but they were not. Even after I got a thumbs up from all of them, so now we're behind this car. I'm not going to complain. That was my fault, we had to stop. Alright. Watch, they're not going to be close enough to get around this car. Oh, never mind, the car's turning off. I'll take it all back. Blow off a little bit of steam after being stuck on the interstate for most of the day, which is always good. Because even in Colorado, where the interstate is a pretty ride, it's still not an exciting ride. It's just pretty. And there's a difference in pretty and exciting. Exciting has curves and views and prettiness. And pretty is just pretty and it's straight and not that exciting. So I got about a 15-minute detour here, but well worth it. Because I'm 2 miles from the Arapahoe Basin sign, which I'm not stopping at. So I'll have to tell the GPS, no, I'd like to continue on. 73 degrees, and it was, I'm guessing we're about 9,500 feet right now. Because we were in Silverthorn, it was 9,000 feet. There's a car passing somebody, there's another car trying to pass somebody. He gave up. It's nice of him. Instead of running everybody off the road. You always gotta love it when people are friendly like that. Get Alex to haul it up the mountain here a little bit. Alex is behind me. Miss MotoTales. She's doing pretty good. She did excellent on this trip. Trying to kind of take it easy to let her get up here so she can kind of follow what I'm doing a little bit, even though I'm really not doing much. You know, it gives her a lot more confidence when she has somebody in front of her so she can kind of see what they're doing. And I do want her to learn, so it works out good. It is the Arapahoe Basin sign. I don't know what everybody's here for. It can't be skiing, can it? Maybe, I don't know. Biking, maybe mountain biking. Come on, baby. Roll in that throttle. Come on. Catch up. Let me roll in the throttle. So I'm about to roll into it either way if you don't come on. She's got me trapped in third gear. Peg grindy action. I'm just staying on the seat, not getting my body off, because that'd be getting too serious. We ain't trying to be serious, we're just trying to have a little fun. And now we're stuck behind him. Oh wait, he's gonna turn off. That's nice of him. Nice fella. Gotta have a little fun, don't I? Too pretty of a curve not to have fun in. Big ass creeks right there. Plus I know I'm gonna catch up with this car, so that give her a chance to catch up. Yeah, that's good. Ah, look, he's gonna turn off too. That is super nice. Thank you, fella. Oh shit. Big tiger. Is that Mike? Yeah, it's Mike. Chilly 59 degrees up here at the top. There they are. They're back there. I can see it back there. We sort of run off and left them just a little bit. That's okay. A lot of people in this area. We don't want to go crazy. Loveland Pass, 11,990 feet. 58 degrees at the top, and a hell of a lot of fun to get up and back down, obviously. But there's traffic in front of us. I don't know if they're gonna get out of the way like the other ones did. Plus we're still got a couple catching up with us. There they are. All right, we got the band back together again, which is good. Gonna turn off? No, you're not. There we go. Play just a little bit before we catch up this guy. Now we get to play the game of whether he'll turn off or not. I'm gonna bet probably not. I don't know, everybody else has, so everybody's pretty friendly here. I'll give them that. They've been super accommodating. Yeah, I wouldn't have turned off there either. Well, I would have turned off there. Mike jumping up in front of me there. I think he's about to pass him illegally, but more or less down. I don't know that there's any reason to do that. We've had a little fun. There's actually quite a few people up here today. When we come through the other day, it was completely empty. This is why me and Mike don't get to ride together anymore. Nope, there's no avalanches. Sign said avalanche area. That's not a cop. That'd be so bad if that's a cop. Okay, good. Loveland Pass. What a ride. What a road. Thank you, Colorado. If we can see the girls in the fatherly unit. There they are. Still together up there. I see them. Well, that was fun. I feel like we both earned that. We've been very good. Yeah, I saw him coming down up there. That's a hell of a road, though.
Figured we had to do it at least once.
Yeah. What am I hooked on? Hooked on nothing. Didn't have my headphones. Didn't have my earplugs plugged up. That's alright. It was much more fun listening to the sound of a badass. It's more fun to listen to the sound of a pissed off thin line 3-cylinder anyway. Alright, so we're going to take a break. We'll get on the interstate. I'll get back with you.